Hello, and welcome to an Ocean County Library database tutorial. Today's database is the World Almanac for Kids Online. The first thing we want to do is come to our homepage, theoceancountylibrary.org. Once there, we want to hover over the Resources tab and scroll down to Databases and left click. Once we do that, that'll bring up all of the Ocean County Library databases. They are listed in alphabetical order. You can search for a specific database to see if we have it by typing in the bar and hitting search. You can also limit by kids, teens, health and science, research. So we want to look at kids, and there's 33 kids databases. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to scroll down to the World Almanac for Kids Online. We want to click View and then Open Database. If you're doing this from home, you might need to have your Ocean County Library card handy. You might need to put the number in. So when you get here, tons of great resources, tons of really interactive, fun ways to learn. So there's always a trivia question here. There's videos, games, science projects, maps, flags, fun facts, homework help. There's this month's birthdays. So basically, the topics is a great way to, if you're looking for answers to questions, this is a great database to use. There's things on math, biography, language arts, physical science, life science, geography. So let's say we were interested in New Jersey. So we'll click on the 50 states, and then we can click on our state, New Jersey. And then it brings up a profile of New Jersey, and you can also see history, landmarks, famous people, fun facts, maps, flags, and symbols. So you can find out a lot of really interesting information about New Jersey, and you can use this as a resource if you're doing a research project or a research paper and you need to cite information. Down here you have the citation, MLA, Chicago Manual of Style, and Harvard. Another thing you can do is, if you're just curious, you can type in here. Like let's say we were interested in the human skeleton. So we'll type in the human skeleton and we'll hit enter. And you can see there's articles, introduction to the human skeleton, parts of a human skeleton, major bones in a human skeleton. So you can click there and it'll give you more information. 206 bones in the human skeleton. So you can always go back by clicking on the title there, the World Almanac for Kids, and it's a really great database with lots of great information. Thanks for watching.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.